സ്ക്രീനിൽ കാണുന്നു. നമ്മൾ നോക്കിയത് ഞാൻ ഡിസ്പ്ലേയിലാണ് വെച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത്. വർക്ക്ഷോപ്പ് സ്റ്റാർട്ട് അതും വരുന്നില്ല. കൊടുത്തടോ. ആ വരുന്നുണ്ടല്ലോ, കണ്ടില്ലേ? വർക്ക്ഷോപ്പ് സ്റ്റാർട്ടഡ് വരെയല്ലേ സ്ക്രീനിൽ? വർക്ക്ഷോപ്പ് സ്റ്റാർട്ടഡ് 3 PM. വേണോ? ആ കത്തിയിട്ടേക്കോ, അത് കത്തിയിട്ടേ. Good afternoon all. Am I audible? Am I audible? Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you for your response. So we will start the session at 3 p.m. Okay. Still some students are waiting. So we will start our session at 3 p.m. Thank you, children. Thank you for your reply. Ma'am, can you please raise your voice? Anu, now am I audible, Anu? Anu, am I audible? Okay, we all from Matrix Academy School. Great. Network issue. Sumitra, you are facing network issue. Just please rejoin. Thank you. You are audible. Thank you. What is your name, ma'am? I will introduce. By 3 o'clock, we will start our session and I will introduce myself. Okay. Ma'am, I am from Radiant School. Okay, noted. Ma'am, please raise your voice. Just gaming. I think you are having some network issue. So please rejoin, beta. Please rejoin. What about others? My voice is clear, right? Okay, I am from Sadhana School. Okay, ma'am. Okay, okay, dear, noted. Ramanjit, you are saying something, right? Ma'am, no. What happened? Any issues you are facing? Am I audible? Vishal, how are you, ma'am? Great, dear, great. Okay, noted from Aradhya school. Reena, right? Noted. Ma'am, what is your name? I will introduce myself. Once our session started, I will introduce, dear. So, ma'am, from I am Sri Sai Vidyalaya. Great. Noted. Hi, ma'am. Hi. I hope my voice is audible for everyone, right? If anybody facing this issue means, please rejoin once again. Maybe the network issue. Very good afternoon, Sonia. I am from Rebus Primary. Noted. So, we will wait for 2 more minutes, okay? We will wait for 2 more minutes. How are you, ma'am? I am doing great. Thank you, Rohan. Thank you. So, I am from Blossom International. Noted. Okay. So, children, could you please all stop sending the command? We will start our session. Okay. So, good afternoon everyone who are all joined here. Very good afternoon. So, hope you all are doing good. Okay. So, right now you know why we are joined connected here and what we are going to do here, right? Is a workshop on Scratch, right? So, before starting the session, I will tell you one thing. See, while we have started the session, please don't put the command on the command box, chat box. Don't drop any messages. Okay? So, once we started the session, I will share my screen. You can also do together with me on your own system. If you are having any doubt, please make a note. Okay? And last 10 minutes, we will keep our chat box on. So, there at that time you can drop your messages or your queries, your doubts over there. Okay. So, this one please stop sending the message in the chat box. Okay. So, is it clear? Is it clear for everyone? So, let's start our session. Before starting our session, you all know what was this session, right? This is all about the Scratch, right? So, why we are connecting here and what we are going to okay. So, why we are connecting here, what is the purpose of this session? So, we want all our students to participate in some national and international level Scratch competition. That is the agenda. Okay. For that only we have initiated first session. This is the session 1. Okay. So, we are having some wonderful competition over here, that is international Scratch competition, that is world Scratch competition. I will share the link in the chat box. Okay. So, in that competition, first I will explain about the competition. It is all about the Scratch only. So, what you have to do now, you have to register over there. Okay. There age criteria wise, some topics has given over there. So, you can take that according to your age, you can select the topic and you can do the project and you can upload it over there. The last day of that competition is on September 1st. So, you are having a lot of time, right? 1 month time is in our hand, right? So, my humble request is everybody should participate. So participation is a matter, right? Prize or recognition is not a matter. Participation is a matter. So I will share the link in the chat box. So you can use that link and register and kindly participate, and experience will make us perfect. So this year you can experience how it is, right? Next year we can do much better than that one, right? So children, please register that one. So I am sharing the link in the chat box. So the competition name is, again I am repeating, World Scratch Competition. In the chat box I am sharing the link. So in the chat box I have shared the link. Okay, fine. So this is the session 1 of the workshop of our Scratch, right? So in the session 1, what we are going to cover is the fundamentals. Fundamentals means basics of the Scratch. Okay. So before starting to the Scratch, before starting to that particular software, we should know more about that software, right? So first we should know what is program. So programming means what? Giving instruction to the computer. Now the word instruction, what is instruction? For example, your ma'am is going to ask, ma'am is asking you to get the book. So I am coming to that point, what is Scratch? I am coming to that point. So step by step we are going to explain. I am coming to that point, children. Okay. So please listen. So here, what is program? Giving instruction to the computer to perform some certain task, right? So that is called as program. So here, instruction, the word instruction means what? What is the instruction? For example, your ma'am is asking to you, give me your textbook. Is an instruction. What you are doing? You are going to take your book from your bag and you are going to give. This is step by step process, right? So same computer and user. So if for example, your ma'am is talking in English and you know only Hindi, what will happen? Whether you will obey your ma'am ka instruction? No, right? So the user, teacher and the student should know the common language. Then only the teacher can instruct and student can obey. Same in the computer, user and computer should know the common language. Then only we can instruct the computer to do some specific task, right? So under that programming languages, we are having many languages like C, C++, Java, Python, many languages are there. So first we discuss what is programming languages. I hope these two are clear, right? Now, third thing, we are going to discuss about programming are two types, text-based programming, block-based programming. So text-based programming means we will type the program, then we will compile in the sense if there is any error is there or mistakes are there. So we used to call bugs. If any bug is there, first we will correct it, then we will debug. That is a text-based programming. Now here we are coming to the point, Scratch. Scratch is a block-based programming. What is this block-based programming? What is this block-based programming? I hope you all are having the toys, right? Blocks, all the blocks connected together and we can make a building, we can make some dinosaurs, right? Same, by using this block-based programming, we can create our own stories, we can create our own animation, games. Okay, so that is block-based. Block-based means already inbuilt some blocks will be there, just you are going to drag and drop it. That is the block-based programming. So here Scratch. Scratch is the visual programming language. Basically, why we are using this Scratch? For creating stories, animation. Okay, so for that purpose we are using this Scratch. So creating our own stories, animation, games. How we will create this animation, games? We are discussing all these things, creating animation stories. How we are creating? By using these blocks. Okay, so by using these blocks only we are going to create the animation, stories and games. Okay, so now we are going to do that activities. Okay, so first I am going to share the online Scratch editor ka link in the chat box. Kindly use that link and you can also start doing. Okay, so I am sharing the link in the chat box, online editor ka link in the chat box. So I have shared the link in the chat box. Kindly please click on it and open the online editor. Children, please. Yes children, we have noted down who are all joined, no issues. Now you can start clicking on that Scratch online editor. Just click on that link and open your Scratch online editor. Again I am resharing who are all missed out, online editor link. And while doing the activity, again I am repeating, while doing the activity, if you are facing any difficulties or any doubts, please note it down. Last 10 minutes we are keeping for the doubt clearing session. Doubt clearing or query related, all your queries I will be answering. Okay. So please click on the link. Again, once again I am sharing. Again I am sharing who are all missed out. Please click on the link and join the online editor. So you will get the page like this. My screen is visible. I hope my screen is visible. Once you click that link, you will get the online editor of the software. Please open. Everybody please open this online editor. So, Scratch ko online editor. Okay. So this is the online page, online editor of the Scratch. Okay. So I hope everybody has opened this screen. I hope everybody has opened this one. Okay. So first I am going to explain the interface. What is interface? Interface means this page, before starting our coding, we should know, right, what is there and what we have to use, right? So this is the interface of the Scratch. So I am going to explain the interface, basic things. So first we will start from here. I hope my mouse pointer is visible for you all. This is green flag. So where we have seen this green flag? In the railway station, right? So station master used to show this green flag for what? Once he showed, the train will start moving, right? Same in the Scratch. Once you click this green flag, the program will start running. Okay, so once you press the green flag, the program will start running. Second, red one. So red flag, what purpose they are using in the train? For stopping the train, right? Same here. So children, many of you are asking whether you have to download. No need to download. No need to download. I have shared that online link in the chat box. Already I have shared that online link in the chat box. Please click on that one and open this page. So you no need to download this offline editor. You can go ahead with the online editor. Already it's shared. So you can click on that link. I hope everybody has opened, right? Okay. So this is green flag. For once you click the green flag, the program will start running. Red flag, the program will stop running. Next you can see these three options, right? What is these three options? When I click this one, that picture is very small, isn't it? Small one. Next, medium, and this one is full screen. Got it? So small, medium, full screen. Next, we'll come to this cat. So once you open the Scratch, even it is online or offline, first page you can see this cat only. By default, you will get this cat. Who is this cat? This cat is called as sprite or actor. Okay, so we used to call this cat as a sprite or actor. So where we have heard this word actor? In the movies, right? In the movies, we can see actor. What the actors are doing? Whatever the director is giving the script, they will act like that, right? Same, here who is the director? We are the director. Whatever script what we are giving, that one is going to act by my sprite. So whenever using this one, this is my sprite, right? So whatever script I am giving, accordingly my cat will perform that one. Okay. So now first step, we'll see how to change the sprite. Now you will think, right, ma'am, whether we can able to change the sprite, because already I said is that we can create your own story. So if we are creating our own story, we need more sprites, right? So how to change the sprite? So if you want to delete this cat, you can click on this recycle bin. Okay, so it will get deleted. Next, in here you can see one blue color option, right? Blue color option. There are 4 options are there under that blue color button. You are having 4 options. Choose a sprite, paint, surprise, upload sprite. So kindly check this one. Are you able to identify this one, blue color one? So first option is choose a sprite. What is this choose a sprite? So choose a sprite means inbuilt or already is there in the software. We don't want to download anything. Okay. So from here you can select your sprite according to your story, according to your games. Which sprite you want, you can select it from here. Okay. So here all the sprites are categorized also. What is categorized? So if you see now all are together, right? Animals are there, humans are there, I mean this one balls, everything is together. So if you want one particular thing for only animal images I want, so you can click on this animals. So you will get all the animals related sprites. If you click the people related sprites. And fantasy, dance, music. So this is categorized. Now you will write, you have a question, right? Ma'am, whether we can keep only one sprite? No. We can keep multiple sprite. No issues. We can keep a multiple sprite. Okay? So I am taking this as my sprite. So from choose a sprite, default already it is there. From there you can select. So here animal related sprite, people related sprite, fantasy, dance, music. So these are categorized. Food, fashion, letters. I hope this is clear for everyone. Choose a sprite. Next, if you see here what these boxes are mentioning, what is this? So if you see the sprite, AB is there. So this is the name of that sprite. Already default it is there. Now for your purpose, you are writing some story. You want to change the name. So you can change it here as Rose. Okay, I have changed the name as Rose. So this is the name of the sprite. First box. Second box, if you see X, Y. What is this X and Y? This is the position, starting position of that particular sprite. It will define. So X axis minus 148, Y axis 40. Now if I am moving this particular sprite, you can see the changes of the values in X and Y. Right? So it will define the position of that particular sprite. Next, show. What is here? Show means it will show that particular sprite. Now, if you click hide, so it will hide that particular sprite. Size. So it will define the size of the sprite. Now, right now, what was the size? 100. Now, if you want to change it, I want to make it small. So, I am giving 50. So, you can see the size is small. Next, direction. So, if you click on this direction, right now my sprite is facing on this right side, right? Now I want to change her position. See, if it is up 0, it is going up like this. So this will define the direction of the particular sprite. So children, you can also try this one, and if you are having doubt, please note it down. At last 10 minutes I will reply for your queries. So this is the first one. First option in the sprite, choose an sprite. And you can, once you have taken the sprite, please kindly check this one also. Change the name, change the position and see the value is getting changed. Show height, size, direction, try it. So I hope this is clear, right? So again I am repeating how to take this sprite. First option we have discussed, that is choose a sprite. So choose a sprite means already it is there in inbuilt, the software it is there. So from here we are choosing one sprite, and these are the settings in the sense we can change the name of the sprite, x, y value, show, hide. So show means it will show the sprite, hide, it will hide the sprite. Size. So using this value you can increase or decrease as per your requirement. You can change the sprite size. And direction. It will define the direction of the sprite. So we'll move on the next step. So this is the first option, right? Choose a sprite. What was the next option is there? Is a paint. So if you want to paint a sprite, for example, okay, so I want some smileys. Okay, whether I have to repeat it again? Okay, fine, great. So here I am deleting the sprite. How to select the sprite? So here you can see on the bottom, one blue color one is there. Click on that one. The first option, choose a sprite, okay, like a search button kind of thing, the icon will be. Just click on that one, choose a sprite. So once you click the choose a sprite, you can see many sprites are there according to your requirements, like a games, stories, whatever the sprite you want, you can take, okay. Now it's all together. Here. So that's what all option. Now if you want only animal related sprite, then you can click animals. Okay. So from here you can select the animal. If you want the people related sprite, go to people. Select. If you want fantasy, so like this is categorized. So I am selecting from the animal. How to select? Just select it, that's it. Just select the image, which sprite which you want. That's it. This is the first step. Once again I am repeating. So choose a sprite. So from here you can select a sprite. Okay. So I am selecting sprite. That's it. Just you have to select which one you want. With your mouse you just select it. After selecting the sprite, you can see here the sprite name is Dinosaur 1. So Dinosaur 1 is default, the name is Dinosaur 1. Now if you feel you want to change the name, then you can delete this Dinosaur 1 and you can type whatever the name, Tom. I am giving Tom. My dinosaur name is Tom. Okay, Tom. Next, x axis, y axis. So what is this x and y? it will define the position. Position in the sense, if you see, now if I move that dinosaur, here the value is changed. If I move it to this side, you can see the value is getting changed. So this is the in position of that particular sprite. Okay, if you want directly, you can change it over here, that is also fine. Otherwise, use your mouse and drag your sprite. Next, show. So if you see in the under the show, there are two options are there, right? Show and hide. If you keep your mouse pointer over there, you can see show sprite, hide sprite. So if you click on the show sprite, means it will show the sprite. Hide, so it will hide the sprite. Okay. Next, size. So here, if you feel you want to increase the size of the dinosaur or your sprite, whatever your sprite. So here you can type the sprite. So I am giving 69. So this is the size of my sprite. So increasing or decreasing as per your requirements, you can do that one. Next, direction. So right now at what direction my dinosaur is there is 90 degree angle. So if I turn to 180, then see minus 90, 0. Okay, so this is the angular position of that particular sprite. Direction. I hope it is clear. Okay. So this option is clear. Choose and sprite means already their sprite is there, just we are using that one. Yes. Now second option, we are moving to the second option is a paint. So what is this paint? For example, in my story, I want to keep some smiley. Okay. So if you see, but from here you can get the smiley, but I want something like colorful smiley. Okay. So at that time what we can do? We can use the paint. So I can draw whatever I want. Okay. So once you select the paint, you will get this page. This is the paint one. Okay. So here if you see fill, what is this fill? Fill means which color you want to fill. Okay. If you want to change the color, you can select it from here. Which color you want, you can select it, that one. Outline. So outline of that particular shapes or particular things what you are using for that outline color. If you feel, you can use that, you can change the color, what color you want. Okay. So how to draw this smiley? So this is the mouse pointer. Okay. Paintbrush, fill the color, line is the shape, square shape, circle shape, and this is for adding the text. And this is eraser. Okay. So for drawing the smiley, what shape we have to take? Round shape. So I am taking round shape. Circle. Now we want to keep the eyes, right? So I am going to change the color. So how I can change? From this fill color, I am changing the color. Again I am taking the circle, small circle. Then again I am changing the color from here, red color. Again the circle shape I am taking, just I am dragging. This is my smiley. My smiley is ready. So you can see the same smiley over here, right? So again I am repeating. So here the second option, paint. Once you select the paint, you will get this page. So here what we have to do? We have to draw. So this is the mouse pointer, paintbrush. These are the tools. By using these tools, we are going to draw. Okay. So I am taking first, I am changing the color. Green color. Circle. Okay. This is the face. Next what we want? We want the eyes. So I am changing the color. Again, black color. small circle. Then if you feel, you can change the color. Mouth. So my smiley is ready. Now if you want to add some text, how you will add? There is a text box is there. Okay, type here, my friend. So my friend I have typed. So now if you want to change this text font style means the style of that particular text. How to change? So here is the box. Click on that one. So select it. Which one you want? You want some other languages also is there, right? Handwriting, hard care. So which one you want, you can select it, that one. So is it clear? The paint is clear? I hope it's clear. Next, third one, surprise. For your birthday, mama, papa, what they will do? Surprise means whether you know, my mother will give this gift, my father will know, right? On our birthday night, they will give you, right? Surprise. So same here also, surprise. So we can't expect what kind of sprite we will get. Okay, it's a surprise one from our scratch. It's a surprise sprite. Okay. Next, last one, upload sprite. What is this upload sprite? So, for example, I am writing story between me and my friend. Okay. So, while writing the story, I have to keep two sprites. One is myself and one is my friend, right? Instead of keeping someone else from the sprite, instead of keeping that sprite, I can take my own picture and my friend's own picture, right? Better. So, for that, what we want? We want a picture in our system. In our computer, which computer you are using, in that you need a picture. So, from that, upload sprite, once you click, you will get this pop-up box. Okay, from here you can select. You can select any one image. So, what the image you want as per your requirement, what image you want, you can select it from here. So, I am selecting this flower image. Okay, so you can see here, right? Now, if I want to reduce the size, what I have to do? I should go to size. I'll change the size. Now, it's small. Clear? So, we are discussing this 4 sprite, how to change the sprite. For changing the sprite, we are having 4 options. Choose a sprite, paint, surprise and upload sprite. These are the 4 options. So, children, please try it. Please try these 4 options. We'll wait for 1 minute. Please try this one. All the 4 options. All the 4 options, please try it. So, again I am repeating, this dinosaur from the make a sprite, smiley from the paint, this is our surprise and this is from upload sprite. Okay, so the sprite part is over, right? So, background you can see one white color, right? So, these are all our 4 are our sprites. But background, what is this white color? That is called a stage. Okay, that is called a stage. So, there is an option to change the stage also, because while writing the program, we need a background also, right, for the story. For example, in your school annual day drama, if you are performing drama, according to the situation, they will change the screen of the background, right? Same here also, we can change the stage. Stage means the background. So, we can change the stage. How to change the stage? Next to this sprite, you can see another one blue color button is there. Have you all noticed that one? The stage. Under stage, one small rectangle box is there. Inside that, one purple color box. So that is stage. If you click that one, same like Sprite, you will get 4 options. Choose as backdrop, paint, surprise and upload. Same as this Sprite. If you click on choose a sprite, choose a backdrop, these are already inbuilt stages. Okay. So here also categorized wise is there, fantasy, music, sports. So as per your requirement, you can select. So for example, I am taking sports. So here I can take sports, swimming is there, basketball, right? So basketball is there, football is there. So I am taking this one. So my backdrop is changed. That is stage. Okay. So first you have to select choose a backdrop. Once you click that one, you will get lot of options. Okay, here. Once you scroll down, you can see. If you want only fantasy related, you can go ahead with fantasy. Music, music related. Sports, outdoors, indoors, space, underwater, pattern. So these are the categories are there. From here, you can select any backdrop. Next option, paint, same like our sprite. Select that one. So you will get a paint box here. So if what you want, you can draw it. So I am just drawing some square. So square is a backdrop. If you want line, you can use the line. If you want circle, you can make a circle. So here you can see the backdrop is changing. Now, for example, you have added the backdrop, stage. You want to delete. How you will delete? How you will delete? So you can see here the option, right? In the paint, directly you can delete it. And here the backdrop option, once you select, just click on that one. So it will get deleted. Because in the sprite and all, once you select the sprite, automatically their recycle bin box is there. So if you click, it will get deleted, right? For the stage, how? Select the stage, backdrops. Here select the backdrops. If you want to delete, delete it. Okay. Third option, surprise. So that one, surprise, we can't predict. Okay. Fourth one, upload the backdrop from your system. If you want, you can take some images from your system and you can use that one. So this is my backdrop now. I hope this is clear. So right now we have completed only this part. So flag, again I am recalling, quick recap. Flag, once you click the flag, the program will start running. Red button, program will stop. Then these 3 options make the stage small, medium, full screen. And this part is all about the sprite. Okay. So here by using this one, we can add the sprite, choose a sprite. There are 4 options, paint, surprise, upload from your system. This one is stage, backdrop. So same options are here. So choose a backdrop, paint, surprise and upload. So take a 1 minute time and try it, backdrop. Please try it and we'll move on. I hope you all are trying, right children? You all are trying, right? Sprite and backdrop changing. Okay. Next, so this much we have covered, right? Now we'll come to this part. So here, if you see here, what is this code? There are three options are there, right? Code, costume, sounds, right? So first we'll start from sounds. So if you are creating some story or game, it's not like only characters and background, right? We need some sounds also, right? For how to upload the sounds, how to use the sound, how to add the sound. So if you see at the bottom, you can see this one, this symbol. The speaker ka symbol is there at the bottom. Once you click this sound, you can see at the bottom speaker. So there you are having 4 options. Choose a sound. Choose a sound means already it is there. In the Scratch itself it is there. So categorize wise, first all means everything mix. Okay. Now categorized animals, effects, loops, notes. So for example, animal sound. I want a dog sound. Okay. So I can search here dog. So I am getting 3 sounds. So you can play. From here you can select. Okay. So how to select? With your mouse, just select it. Clear? This is the first option. So here is the settings of that one. If you play, if you want to make faster, okay, so you can try like this. Second option, so I hope this first one is clear. So you have to go to sound. Again I am repeating. Sound, this one bottom, the speaker one, choose a sound. From here you can select the sound. You can search it here, directly you can search what sound you want. So I am giving cat. So select it. Okay. Next, record. What is this record? Record means by using, we are recording, we are going to record our own voice. So how to record? Just click on that record. Okay. So now I don't have that microphone ka no permission. So by using your microphone, you can record that one, your voice, and save it on your system. So you can use that one in your project. So recording, just click on that one and whatever you want to record, you can say, hi, how are you? So if for example, you are writing a story between 2 friends. So you can give one voice from your end, hi, how are you, my friend? So you can record that one and you can keep it on the code. Code I will explain, don't worry. So this is the record option. Third one, surprise. So here also we got a surprise. Let us play. Wow, this is our surprise. Nice, right? Okay. Last one, upload the sound from our system. Okay, you can upload any sound from your system if you want. You can use that one. So this sound is clear, I hope. So once you have to click the sound on the bottom, the speaker, first choose a sprite sound means automatically whatever it is there inbuilt. We can search it and we can select it from there. Record by using your mic, you can record microphone, you can record your voice. Surprise from our system, so Scratch will give you a surprise sound. And upload sound. Okay. Clear? Clear? So next we are coming to the costumes. What is this costumes? Costume means usually we used to say costume for dresses, right children? So here we are not going to use that one, okay. Costume means the sprite is already there, right? This is my dinosaur. I have selected dinosaur. That's what it's showing over here. If I select my smiley will be here. If I select this spider. So I selected dinosaur, okay. If you feel you want to do some changes on this dinosaur. For example, I want to give some colors. Okay, so I am just selecting the brush and I am giving some. So this is the costume. We can do some changes on our sprite. Okay, not only changes, we can change the position in the sense. Now it is like this, right? I want to change the position. So how to change? Select the mouse. Okay, select the mouse pointer. You can see here some options. What is this? This is undo, redo. And this is copy. We can copy and we can make a duplicate of this sprite. If you want to delete, you can delete. Flip horizontal. So you can see it's changed. Now flip vertical means this one. Flip vertical. Flip horizontal. Got it? So costume means we can do some changes whatever we have selected. So I have selected the sprite, so I am doing changes with that particular sprite. If I select the backdrops, then I can do some changes with my backdrops. Okay. So costume is clear. Costume is clear. I hope it's clear, right? So costume means changing the doing some changes in the sprite or backdrops. Backdrops also we can do some changes using the costumes. Okay. Next we are coming to the code. So first, while I started explaining time, I said do you all remember this sprite is also called as actor, and actor who we are the director, we are going to give a script, right? Where we are going to give a script. So right now we change the sprite, we change the backdrops, we change the stage, everything is over. Now scripting time. So as a director, where you are going to give a script. So this blank page you can see, no? This is called as script area. So here only as a director we are going to give our script. According to our script, my actor is going to act. Got it? So this is the script area. So here only we are going to give a script. We are not going to write, we are going to give. So how to give? Here the blocks are there, right? So I will explain. First we'll see this one. Motion, look, sound. What is this? This is called as block palettes. This is called as block palettes. Motion, looks, sound. So if I click motion, what is this motion? The name itself we know is a movement related. So all the movement related blocks are there in the motion. Okay. Next, looks. Look means say, think. So related, the changing the costume. Costume means, again I am repeating, it's not a dress. So it is changing the position of the sprite. For that kind of blocks are there in the looks block. Okay. Sound. All the sound. So before that we have inserted some sound, right? Meow sound. So where it will get updated? Here. Automatically it will get updated here. Just you have to drag and you have to select it. We'll see that one. Okay. Sound related, all the blocks are here. Events. What is events? Events means, for example, you can take your annual day. Annual day is an event. In the annual day, what we will conduct? Dance program, vote of thanks. Related that annual day program will happen. Not apart from that, right? So particular things. So same event means the particular ones when flag clicked. So always in the Scratch, remember you have to start the program with this when flag clicked. Always you have to start the program with when flag clicked. Why we are starting with when flag clicked? Because already I said when the flag is clicked, then only the program will start running, right? So that is, this is the first block. Always we have to use, this is the first block. Now you will think, ma'am, only this block, any other blocks are there? Yes, we are having some other blocks are there. So either you can use when space key pressed. So either flag clicked, space key pressed. That means when I click my space key, the program will start running. Now you will think only the space key is there? No. Nearby the space, there is one arrow. Click that one, you will get all the keys over there. You can select which key you want. Okay, so when flag click means once the flag click, program will start running. When space key press means once you press the space key, the program will start running. Next, when the sprite clicked. What is this when the sprite is clicked? Who is sprite here? Our actor. Actor is the sprite, right? When I click my sprite, then the program will start running. Okay. So either you have to use when flag clicked or when space key is not a space key, you can select whatever key is pressed when sprite clicked. Either you have to use any one. From these three, you have to start with any one block. Okay. So I am starting with first when flag clicked. Let it be. Next, control. Control ka we are having many blocks. I will explain. Slowly one project. Once we started doing the project, I will explain. At that time, you will getting more clear about it. So first we will do one small project. Okay. So just I want to move my dinosaur from one place to another. Okay, so I'm deleting remaining all the sprites. I'm just deleting. Okay, otherwise we can start it from first. File. So how to go for the new file? Go to File, New. Load from your computer means already existing file. If you want to open, you can use that one. After completing the project, if you want to save, you can use Save to your computer. Okay, so first I am going ahead with File, New File. Okay, I hope you all opened the file, new file, right? I'll wait for 1 minute. Please open the new file. Okay. So here, what is our agenda? I want to make my sprite to move from one place to another place, right? So here I am going to change my sprite. I am going to take some other sprite. Well, I'll take this dog. Okay. So the dog is my sprite. Next, backdrop. I am going to change the backdrop. From the default, whatever it is there, choose a backdrop. I am not uploading from my system, or I am not painting. I am not using Surprise. I am using choose a backdrop. So this is my sprite. This is my backdrop. If you want, again I am repeating. So first I have taken File, New File. First I am going to use the sprite. Okay. So from the animals I am taking. So whatever the sprite you want, you can take it. Okay. I am taking this one, dog. Then I am changing the backdrop. This is the first step. Always, whenever you are getting any project, whenever you are going to start with any project in the Scratch, first step, always change the sprite and the backdrop. This is the first step. So keep remember, always first as per our requirement. For example, conversation between two children. If you are writing the story for that one, first you have to take two children sprite, then backdrop. That is very important. First you have to change the sprite and backdrop. Next, we are going to start with programming, coding. So how to take, so for already I said, first initially how we have to start the program when flag clicked. So from the event blocks, this yellow color after sound, yellow color one, event blocks when flag is clicked. Okay, when flag is, how to use this one? Just use your mouse, drag and drop it on the script area. Okay, repeat. Okay, I will repeat. So first, everybody, I hope you have taken a new document, new page, right? New file, right? Okay. So after taking your new file, by default, there is a cat, right? There is a cat. I don't want this cat. I want something else. Okay. So what I have to do? I have to delete this cat, right? How to delete? Once you select that sprite here, not here or not on the stage, here downside, down part. If you select this sprite, you can see the recycle bin, this one, right? Just click on that one. So it is deleted. So whatever it is there, we deleted, right? Next what? Next step what? We want to add a new sprite, right? So for that, here the blue color one, already we discussed, no, that one. Select that, click on that one. First option, I am taking the first option, choose a sprite. Choose a sprite. So from here I am selecting whatever you want, you can select it. Okay. So I am taking this butterfly, not butterfly, I am taking this, we'll see something different. Yes, penguin. I hope you all done this step, right? So first step what? We have changed the sprite. At this point, if you want to upload from your system, you can use that sprite, or if you want to paint something, you can use that one. At these 4 options, you can select any one. So better go ahead with the choose a sprite. So we will be, once you are started using 2 times, we will be comfortable with that one, right? Then we will get to know how ma'am is doing this much fast, because practice. So same after the session also, you just practice it, you can able to do it. Okay. So first time while you are doing, we will face some difficulty, children. Don't worry about that one. Okay. First time, once we have started using any things, even in the from our childhood, LKG, ABCD is very difficult. But once you come to 5th grade, it is very easy. Why? Because practicing. So don't worry, first time while we are using, sometimes you will face some difficulties. No worries, practice it 2-3 times, so you can able to do it. So this is the first step, changing the sprite. Next what? Next we have to change the stage, background. So it's here, same as next to this one blue color thing is there, no? Click that one. Again we are having the same 4 options. So you can select anything as per your wish. So I am going ahead with the choose a backdrop. So better you can also go ahead with that one, choose a backdrop. Click that one. Okay. Select the background which you want. So I am selecting this one. Let it be. Okay. So my backdrop is changed. My sprite is changed. So actor is ready, background is ready. Now what we want? We want to give a script, then only actor will act, right? So script who is going to give? We are going to give a script, right, for my actor. This is my actor, Penguin. I am going to give a script. So shall we start doing the scripting? Okay. So where we will give the script? In the script area. How we will give the script? So under this block palettes, if you click, you will get lot of blocks, right? So first always in the Scratch, start with the first block when flag clicked. Okay. So how to use that one in the script area? Blocks are there, but how to use that one? Use your mouse, just select that block, drag and drop it on the script area. Okay. So select that script, the block, drag and drop it on the script area. So this is the script area. This is the first step. When flag is clicked. When flag clicked, what my actor has to do? So we'll start with the simple things, okay. So motion block. I am going to the motion block. Always remember, while you are writing the coding or while you are writing the scripting, not a writing, just dragging and dropping, make sure that you have selected the sprite. That is very, very important. If you are selecting multiple, if you are using multiple sprite, means we have to write separate blocks coding for this sprite. Okay, so always select this one. If you are not selecting this one, you won't get these blocks. If you select that particular sprite, then only you will get this motion block. For example, now I selected the stage. Are you able to see my motion block? No, because backdrop it can't move, right? So motion related blocks are not there. So that is very, very important. You have to select the sprite. Okay, select the sprite. When flag is clicked, what this penguin has to do? I am giving move 10 steps. So this block should connect. If it is not connecting, then what will happen? See, when I flag click, penguin is not moving. So it should connect. That is important. Blocks. And here now you are having question, ma'am, only 10 step we can give. No. If you want to change, with your mouse, click inside the 10, delete it and whatever the count you want. So, I am giving 20 steps. So, move 20 steps. Again I am repeating from the motion block, the first block, I am dragging and dropping the move 10 steps. Okay. Here inside there 10 is there, right? So, I am going to edit that one into 20 steps. So, how to edit? Just select inside, delete button, then you can type. Using your keyboard, you can type the value, 20 steps. Now, if I click my flag, what you can see? The penguin is moving 20 steps. Okay. 20 steps means only this much. Okay, children, don't get confused. Okay, 20 steps. I hope this is clear. Next, so while I started this explaining the code, first I said either you have to use when flag clicked, when space key pressed, or either any one block, right? So right now we have tried with the flag one. So shall we try with the next one, when space key pressed, how it will work? Let us try. So if you don't want any block, so where to delete, where to throw, just drag and throw it like this. Just drop it here, over. Okay, if you want, just drag, don't want, throw it, that's it. So let's try with this space key, how it will work. So this is my when space key pressed. So again I am repeating, after the space there is one arrow. If you want to change other keys, if you want to use up arrow, down arrow, whatever the keys, whatever you want, you can use that one. When the space key pressed, move 20 steps. Okay. Now if I click the flag, my penguin is not moving. Code I have given when the space key pressed. So I am going to press my space key. You can see the penguin is moving. Got it? So this is the second block. In the event, first block when flag click is clear. So once you click the flag, then it will work. So space key means once you press that particular key, then it will work. The program will start running. Now we will try the third block. When the sprite is clicked. So what is this when this sprite? Who is sprite here? The penguin is the sprite, right? So when this sprite is clicked, so when I click my sprite, so I am clicking flag, it's not working, space key, not working. So when this sprite, so I am clicking my penguin, you can see the penguin is moving. I hope these three blocks are clear, right? So when flag clicked, space key pressed, when this sprite clicked. I hope these three are clear. Okay. So I hope this is a simple project, right? With a move 20 steps we have done. Okay. Now with the same penguin only, with the same whatever the sprite you have selected. So now the motion block key, first move we know. What is this turn 15 degree? So if I use this turn 15 degree, the particular sprite will turn 15 degree. Okay. So how? So when I click the flag, because I have used the block when flag clicked, right? So when I click the flag, you can see the penguin is turning 15 degree. Okay. So here in the motion block, we can't go one blocks individually. So right now what I explained, the motion means all the movement related blocks are there. Okay. So today we have started session 1, right? So session 2, before joining to the session 2, so what you have to do now, all the blocks, take one blocks and try it. Take one blocks and try it. So if you won't get any error, nothing will happen. See, ma'am, what ma'am is doing, just taking, just doing like this. Next block, take it, try it. So once you try, then you will get to know what this block will do. Okay. So these all are motion related. So try with that one. Okay. Next, we'll come to the next block palette, that is looks. Okay. So the looks block. Under looks block, we are having say, think. What is the say block? So let us keep this one say block, what it is doing. Just drag and drop it. So inside that say block, there are hello is there, right? So if you want to change that one into something else, let's see what hello is doing. When flag clicked, so you can see this hello. Okay. Now if you want to edit in the sense if you want to change, so click inside this say block, delete it, type there hi, how are you? Flag clicked, so you can see hi, how are you? Children, I hope my screen is visible, right? Okay. So again I am repeating this look blocks. Okay, again I am going to repeat this look block. So the penguin is there, right? So go to the looks block. This is the look block. Take say hello. Okay. Take say hello. The second one I am just dragging and dropping here. If I click the flag, what is happening? It's coming hello. Right? It's coming hello. So where we can use this block? Where we can use this one? For writing for creating a stories, 2 characters. Right? Yes. Ma'am, explain once. Okay. So my screen is visible, right? Screen is visible, right, children? Okay, now the scratch screen is visible, right? Okay. So right now we are discussing about the say block. Okay. So say block means, so if you first you have to go ahead with, first always you have to start the project with when flag clicked. Okay. In the Scratch always you have to start with when flag clicked. Then go to looks block. So this is the looks block. Under that we are having say hello. So just drag and drop it here. Then if I click the flag, you can see hello, right? Hello is there. So basically where we will use this say block, where we will use, for example, I am writing story between two characters. Okay. So conversation between two characters. So at that time we can use this say block. Got it? At that time we can use conversation, hi friend. So opposite person will say, hi friend, how are you? How are you? So for that purpose we will use this say block. Okay. Under this say block you can see hello. By default there will be hello. If you want you can change it. How you can change? Select that hello, then click delete button. You can type whatever you want by using your keyboard. You can type how are you. Okay. Now full screen. When I click the flag, you can see, hi, how are you? It's clear? This is the say block. Now, so here you can see say hello for 2 seconds. What is that say hello for 2 seconds? I am taking one more sprite. I am taking one more sprite. Okay. So this is my sprite. This boy is another sprite. Okay. So I am going to write a script for the boy. So for writing the script, what we have to do first? First, you should select the boy, the sprite. For which sprite you have to write a script? First you have to select. Okay. When flag clicked, look block, say hello for 2 seconds. So I am dragging this one, I am dragging and dropping here. Now I am going to play this flag button. Now you are going to see the difference between only say hello for 2 seconds. Okay. Flag. So you can see hi, how are you? It's still there. But the boy one, it came and it went. Why? Because in the block we have mentioned hello for only 2 seconds. Only for 2 seconds only we can see that one. So again I am showing this one flag. So see the boy one is after 2 seconds it's disappeared. So now I hope you got a difference between say hello for 2 seconds, right? So the difference between these two blocks is clear, right? Then think. So what is this think? So we can say think. So here also you can edit. So when the flag is clicked, so think. that so that thing also there for 2 seconds. So all these related, costume related, all the blocks are there. So what is costume? Already I said costume means is not a dress. So you have to drag and drop the switch costume. Okay. So once you click this arrow, you can see A, B, C, D, bend A, B, C, D. Okay. So if I select bend B means when I click the flag, you can see the position is getting changed. That particular sprite ka position is getting changed. Clear? So that all related, say, thing, costume, all these related blocks are there in the looks block. Okay. Next, sound related, all the blocks are there. Okay. So for example, if you want to use the sound block, select the sound. Okay. Here you can use play sound. Okay. Play sound or start sound. So if you want, first go to sound, choose a sprite, choose a sound. So you can select any one sound. Okay. Then if you come to the code, automatically it get updated, where if you click this arrow, you can see what I selected there, it is there. So when the flag is clicked, you can see, we can hear the sound. I hope till these 3 blocks are clear, right? Using these 3 blocks, we are going to create one small project. Okay, we are going to create a small project. For that, first go to File, New. Okay, I am starting with a new project. File, New. So, children, you can open this one. And I am going to write a story. Okay, I am going to write a conversation between 2 characters. So for that, what we want? We wanted 2 characters, right? So I am going to the sprite, choose a sprite. This is the first character. This is my second character. So by using the mouse, you can arrange where you want to keep that sprite on the stage where you want to keep. So these 2 are my 2 characters, 2 sprites. Next, I am changing the backdrop stage. Okay. This is my backdrop. So these first 2 steps I hope everybody has completed, right? Changing the sprite, selecting the sprite and backdrops. Next, what I said, first we have to start with when flag clicked. But before that, make sure that you have selected the proper sprite. Okay, so this is my sprite. When flag clicked, from the event blocks, when flag clicked, now, what I said is a conversation between 2 sprites, right? Conversation. So, where we have to go now? Say block. So, looks, under looks, we are having say. So, I am dragging and dropping here. So, this character is asking, hi, how are you? Okay, hi, how are you? For 2 seconds. So when I play the flag, when I click the flag, you can see, hi, how are you? Okay. At that time, what this girl has to do, the purple color shirt that girl had, what she has to do, that sprite. So we have to write a separate code for that character, right? Event block, when flag clicked, if I keep immediately this girl is going to reply, I am good or great. Okay? So now if I play this one, a flag, if I click, whether it is looking like a conversation. Conversation means what? One person will talk, other will listen, then they will reply, right? But if you see here, all actions are taking place together. It is not looking like a conversation. So what will make change here? So there is one block is there. On the control block, wait 1 second. So okay. So this first character is asking the question, right? How are you? So what this character should do? She should listen, right? So for that she should wait for 2 seconds. So wait from the control block, wait 1 second. Change this one as per your wish, 1, 2 or whatever. So I am giving 2 seconds. Okay, wait 2 seconds. Then I will keep this one, great, for 2 seconds. Now you can see the difference. So first character is asking, hi, how are you? Great. After 2 seconds, this character is saying, sprite is saying, great. How? Because I have added this block, wait 2 seconds. From where? From the control block. So this is a simple project, right? So if you want, you can add the sound. So you can try that one. Okay. So children, I hope this session you understood, right? Till here what we have discussed. It's all about basic. Now the chat box is open, so you can ask your queries over there. Drop your queries, your doubt. Please drop it on the chat box. So till whatever we have discussed, any doubts? Ma'am, please show the scratch. Okay, ma'am, please ask the doubt. Yes, I am ready to ask your doubt, children. You can type it on the chat box. I am ready to ask. Only few minutes late. Yes, I am ready to ask your doubts. Please let me know. Please send link. So what link you are expecting? This one online editor. Okay, I will share once again the online editor link on the chat box. Ma'am, doubt time. Yes, doubt time. It's doubt time, dear. It's doubt time. You can ask your doubts. Ma'am, can we make a game? Yes, of course we can make a game in the Scratch. Right now we started only the basic, right? So once in the next session, once you attend, you will get more idea about the Scratch, right? So slowly we will get into that creation of projects, creation of animation, stories, games. Yes, we can do it. No doubts, very nice class, thank you. Thank you, Bindu, thank you. Is there any cost of IK? So, no, there is no cost. You just get into that link, just try it, register it and try it. So, again I am repeating, so someone asked IKCC what is. So, is a international competition, that is Scratch, World Scratch competition. So, already I shared the link. Once again I will share the link in the chat box. Click on that link, register. Okay, so there under the age categories, under age category, they have given some concept. Concept means title. So check that one, do the project and upload it. The last day is on September 1st. Okay, so you can do. So I hope all will register. All will register. Because don't bother about things. So just practice it and you can do it. If it is a simple program also, it's not a problem. Try it. Experience will make us perfect. So first year, this is the first year, just try it and next year we will give a better project, right? So I hope everybody will register this one. And one more event is also there, okay, one more event is also there, that is Scratch Olympiad 2024. Actually that is till July 5th only that link is, you can register. Same like this one only, you have to do the project, Scratch project. So I am sharing both the link. Okay, kindly check that one. I hope IKCC, all my children are going to register. Okay, who are all attended this today's session, everybody is going to register this one. So first link is then for the World Scratch competition. Second one is for the Scratch Olympiad. Okay, I have shared. Very nice class. Thank you. Thank you, Bindu. Thank you, dear. Thank you. How to change the sprite. So you can see on this next near bottom of the sprite one blue color thing. No, click that one. From there, select what option you want. Choose and sprite or paint or whatever you want. You can select it using that one. You can change the sprite. Can we see last typed command on Scratch? Command in the sense, we are not using any command in the Scratch. Okay, so you can save your file. That's what I said in the file. You can see the save to your computer. Use that one and save your file. Ma'am, pin the link. Pin the link. So which link you are expecting? This competition link. Again, once again, I am sharing the competition link. So the first link is an, yeah, this is the link, IKCC. So you can register over there. I am expecting good project from my children. Okay. Ma'am, very nice class. Thank you, dear. Thank you. Ma'am, competition is when? So the competition is on September 1st. You have to do the project in the Scratch and you have to upload it over there. Okay, dear. Ma'am, how to register? Open that link. There is an option. Just click on there, register now. Using that, you just register. Ma'am, your class was so good. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, dear. Thank you. It's nice to hear. Thank you, dear. Thank you. Okay, ma'am, I didn't understand how to make smiley face. Not a smiley face, dear. That is, we use the paint. Okay, paint, and just I have drawn the smiley face. Okay. Ma'am, both link. So you are going to register for both the competition. Great, great. Okay. Is there any cost of IKCC? No. You can just check on that link. Just check it on that link. You will get. Super class, ma'am. Thank you, dear. Thank you. So anybody, any doubt related to this Scratch? Ma'am, can we rotate the, yes, we can rotate that sprite. By in the motion block, check each and every block. Just drag and drop it and check it. You will get a solution for that one. Okay. Thank you, ma'am, for the nice class. Thank you, dear. Thank you. Anybody, ma'am, we can send our project to you now. No need to send, just practice it. As a session, this is the session 1, right? Just we discuss the basic things. From next session onwards, we will do much more projects. So you can practice it. Whatever I have explained, no, just practice it. How to change the size of. So once next to the sprite, you can see there no size option. So click on that one and you can change the sprite. Bye, ma'am. Bye. How to register? Just go on that link. Click register now and see there everything has explained in that particular link. Just read it out and register it, children. Explain the first step for the Scratch or this competition. Ma'am, next session details we will inform you very shortly. Okay, so we will inform you. Link is not working. Which link is not working, beta? This competition one or Scratch one? When will be the session 2? Session 2 we will inform you. Will inform you. Ma'am, explain the first step. Next session, session 2 we will inform how to make the background. So you can see there after the sprite there is a stage option is there, no? Click there on the bottom, you will get that purple color button. Click that one and change the sprite. Ma'am, it was very interesting and very successful. Thank you, Smita. Thank you. Please, ma'am, make animation short clip. Sure. Definitely, we'll do it and we'll show you. Ma'am, very super class. Thank you. Thank you, dear. Thank you. So I hope it's time up. So bye. So happy weekend, children. Happy weekend. Enjoy your weekend and we'll update you about the next session. And please don't forget to register that IKCC. Okay, so please register it. Thank you so much.